What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and this is part 2 of the Tailgate Alaska video series, so let's get into it. Welcome to Truck House Live, baby. Get the man games going on, starting right now.
Now, so if you guys want to test out the course, test out the toboggan, yeah, sure, go for it. Top North's going to do a practice run here. Your energy together with a three-man team. Hey, 3 brains are more powerful than 1 together for our contest. And then you're gonna win potentially. And we got an ice axe to give away. We got some water bottles.
You're front and center. You go. Where's your bag of popcorn, man?
In my pocket, right?
Ladies and gentlemen, women and children of all ages, welcome to Man Games 2022. Go! Okay, now. In your second class for the triathlon competition. The select stage. And then minute 30 right now. Yeah, it's going to take a minute.
Push! Run! Down the hill!
Oh!
This is Team Kevin Foxtrot from Reno. Don't Google search him.
Drinking.
Unless you're underage, apparently.
I think it's gotta be whiskey. This guy. Always doing it.
There we go, never ends. Never ends.
What's going on now, man?
We got man games going on.
You're gonna get on the Canadian camera?
You want to compete too?
No, I'm more of a watcher, you know.
TG22.
Nice.
Good morning, everybody. The sun is kind of out today. We're gonna go check out a pretty cool new zone today and do some snow machine skiing and maybe some speed flying. So pretty stoked on that. So we'll get some coffee, breakfast going, pack up and go. Alrighty. Holy packed fridge. Get some lunch for today. The joys of camper life. Everything packed in all crazy. Sausage biscuits this morning. Here we got a good old Jimmy Dean sausage biscuit. And I think the coffee is almost done. Yep, just fogged the camera lens.
There's Em and Stafford rolling in. Pretty sweet ride. Oh, it's a Quigley conversion. I didn't know you get the Quigley special. That's pretty sweet, man.
Quig.
Capture 2 seconds.
Quigley 4x4.
What's up, man? How you feeling?
You know, nice to be in the past.
I thought you had the narrow shades for a second, the ones that are super close.
No.
Your eyes look all narrow. So we call this Demolition Hill back there. Up, minute. It's off to a bad start. Call that Canadian. It's like they're digging a sled out up top. I don't know if you guys can see that, but
Yeah.
Demolition Hill really breaks out the carnage, the best of the carnage. It's the closest thing to ski from the parking lot, and a lot of people haven't been on sleds before attempt it, and stuff happens. Here he goes again. Here we go, he's going for it. Extra slow. Oh, here it is. All right, packed up, getting ready to roll, and it is just starting to go blue. So that'll lead you to the glaciers up that way if you cut through that third gully over there, but I don't know where we're gonna go just yet. Got the wing all packed up.
So I was like,
You can see the sleds going up the hill up there.
okay. Just like
Straight up gully one. No one's really touched that yet this morning. It's pretty good.
Especially
Check out these living quarters. All these people with campers. That's how it's done. Whoa, we lost it. Oh. Demolition Hill, baby. It is almost too nice out. So we're gonna head up to Girls up there, Bro Bowl, go ski up in there in the high saddle. So we're gonna go up Demolition Hill. Should be good. Been watching people get stuck left and right, trenching it out, making it worse. Oh yeah, you good? Here we go. Here goes the clown show.
I'm down for whatever.
Oh no, that's good. Let's do it. You hit it first? I think that dog's almost over. Like he's gonna run right in front of you. Give him a hot second.
I don't want to hit a dog, dude.
I know, I'd feel so bad.
I would feel so bad.
That can stay back to spot you in case something gets rowdy. Oh, there's a dog up top. Watch out. He'll probably run right in front of you. Towards the cliff and just straight up the cliff. That's pretty good.
I think you're pretty mellow.
That's how it looks smooth. Yeah, cool. I guess you want to cruise back towards Bro Bowl and stuff. Can't believe Demolition Hill almost got me. Crazy. So we're gonna go up down this road, then we're gonna cut left to get up towards the saddle up there. I'm riding with Emily today. Unfortunately, Greg couldn't join us today. He's kind of blew his ACL out last week. Traction.
Yeah, I don't really totally remember how I got there before. I kind of feel like we dropped around and went up the gully part.
Now the snow's really good too. Yeah, she's on kind of an older 2014 RMK. Yeah. Oh yeah. The snow's kind of good.
That's kind of good.
Huh.
I think that's like Bro Bowl.
Oh, and the like the back side of this thing.
Yeah, so you can like sled up, like you just go around the back.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, I think it's a pretty chill bench. Nice little warm up lap.
Yeah. Jumping on that right off the gun is like definitely a good Greg move.
You could Greg it up and send that cornice up there, but you know.
Yeah.
They're pretty good. This is protected. I don't know what's gonna happen when we turn the corner, you know, but you'll find out. There'll be plenty of pow, like some of the first people up.
That's pretty day, Jimmy.
I know.
Thompson Pass.
I had a feeling. I don't know. I was like, I think it's
Thanks
gonna
for
be nice.
me up. I don't know. I was moving slow this morning. I
Oh, no worries. I don't know. I just figured all the front side stuff would definitely disappear for too long. Yeah, this front side?
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever's fair. I mean, I'm up for whatever.
You want to get on that? That would be, I mean, it looks pretty sick.
You know, like go, where were you thinking?
We would just like,
Yeah, we got it.
like leave a sled at the bottom and then double up to like, kind of like behind that shoulder.
Yeah, one of those
You
benches.
boot up and over. We just like,
Jesus, right to this radio station. We're in the wrong channel.
better go ISIS.
You ever get a Christmas song stuck in your head for no apparent reason? Like, oh, Christmas tree? I don't know any of the lyrics. Oh my god, snow is... not really. Actually, I never liked it. Yeah, I'm digging these moped racks.
What you been up to since you've been back?
Yeah, deny. It's just super cool. It's like fun riding, like cool chill skiing. Like, you drive out there, you don't pack any food. Well, in classic fashion, I have managed to wreck the drone. I was flying sideways. You guys will see the clip, and smack that cliff wall right up there. I tried to hike up. I don't have skins, so it's sinking really deep, and the knee didn't like it either. Emily threw her skins on. She's gonna go try to recover it.
Well, that's a wrap, y'all. Stay tuned for the next part of this video where we see what happens to the drone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.